Atlas filling and packaging machine for all types of nuts. Multi-head weigher filling system to ensure accuracy in weight, speed in performance, and consistency in production. Vertical packaging machine for various sizes and weights. Designed to provide high-quality packaging with elegantly shaped bags. Atlas International, 50 years of experience, leading innovation in food production and packaging.